guys, this is workouts that really should be designed around the individual. So that's what this video is going to be about today. We have all different types of workouts. We have people who like to lift really heavy and intense. We have moms who work out from home, or people who haven't worked out in a while because they have adrenal insufficiencies, they have chronic fatigue, and they have maybe just not the time that they think based on their job, if you are a second or third shift night worker. Now, so let's break it down. If you're someone who has more ample amount of time, then being in the gym an hour or 2 hours, or even on the third hour is fine if you use that time, that duration, to split things up, like breathing, stretching, taking nice long breaks. Let's say when I do a pull-up, right? When I'm doing a chin-up or a pull-up, I'll do a set of 10 and then I'll stop. And I won't do another set of 10 for 5 to 10 minutes because I'm trying to get down my blood pressure, put myself more in a homeostatic balance before I do another set. Now, some people like to go, and I would wait until you are in the second or third stage of your keto adaptation and you know for a fact that you've got great GLUT4 receptor development and your body knows how to uptake the glucose that you produced in that workout. So in theory, if you are fully adapted, you will notice that your blood sugar will drop post-workout after 20 to 30 minutes. So those types of people, they can more push that line in their heavy workouts. Power lifters, CrossFitters can push that line, but you can't do that in the first stage of trying to keto adapt, because you will notice that your ketones drop, your blood sugar spikes, and you start to exhibit adrenal fatigue or adrenal insufficiency symptoms. So for people who are heavy lifters, try to build your way up slowly in the beginning. Definitely slowly, don't go straight into it. For people who are like moms and who are having homeschooled kids, working at home with your kids is perfect. And the time that you would want to do that is between around 8 in the morning till about 2 in the afternoon. So this concept of working out at home should not be ignored for two types of people, or three. People who work from home, people who've got kids, especially homeschooled kids or very young children, and people who have adrenal fatigue or adrenal insufficiencies. Then you can just wake up in the morning if you have adrenal insufficiencies and just do a 10-minute workout. Full body circuit, low intensity, time under tension, 3-second negatives. If you're a person who is fit and you're more advanced in your keto adaptation, then you can go and work out in a big space or a garage, or even go outside and learn how to, I would say, do a lot of body weight exercises, because there's nothing better than understanding your core. Because as you train, you should actually train with the posture of a professional ballerina. Yes, I said it, a professional ballerina, because you're gonna have a straight plumb line, you're gonna know how to activate that core, and then you can maximize those body weight exercises in conjunction with weights or bands, or some of you guys have things set up at home where you've got like cables and whatnot, or benches. Now, for those who, let's say, who have just had a child, then there are great core exercises, especially with Pilates. And I will go more into a series of different types of Pilates exercises for women who are trying to rebuild that core, especially when their abdominal muscle splits when having a child. And it's the position of literally your hips, your pelvic girdle. If you have an anterior or a posterior tilt to the girdle, if your posture is incorrect and you have a C-shaped spine, you're not going to activate those lower abdominal muscles. Now, other tips when it comes to endurance athletes, which I have stressed, and I will stress some of the same things in all videos, which is always go in stages. You start light on your endurance training and then slowly build up your endurance and build up that fat. Especially if you're an endurance athlete or a power lifter, you have to get in enough fat or you'll notice that your blood sugar will skyrocket. And don't forget your electrolytes. So that's my workout tip for different types of people. I will go more into therapeutic exercises for people who've got injuries like I do. I used to be a professional skateboarder on those big vert ramps. Yes, honey. And I destroyed my left knee, which also affected my right hip. And of course, I've broken many things. So I've got manageable arthritis because of being on a ketogenic diet for so many years without refeeding ever. So with that said, you guys, tune in more for some great information. You can go to stephanieperson.com for a one-on-one consultation. You can go to Stephanie Keto for my to check out great information on my Instagram, especially my stories. Or you could go to Stephanie the Business Person for more great free content. Or you could just join my course page, which I cover low carb, high fat, keto omnivore, keto carnivore, and I do consultations. Now I gotta go. Peace.